How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome to the very first episode in our new LEGO Vidiyo build series. LEGO Vidiyo was a theme that was released in March 2021, and it was fairly short-lived. As is the case with a lot of these LEGO themes that revolve around apps, like this LEGO Vidiyo series and also the Hidden Side, which I have built a few sets for. It's one of my favorite series. They don't have a very long lifespan due to the apps being clunky and difficult to use. But that doesn't mean that there aren't some really cool figures and also some nice pieces that you can acquire from picking up these sets. Now, the reason that I like this Vidiyo series is that they are very budget friendly. This is probably the most common of the different Beatbox figures that you can get. This is the Alien DJ Beatbox. It comes with 73 pieces and it is a really cool design. It looks like he's dabbing it up right there. And one of the awesome things about these Beatboxes is they also come with these Beat tiles. I believe it comes with 16 different tiles, and I'm really excited to tear this box open and start building this. I have some of the other Vidiyo figures as well as some of the bigger Vidiyo sets, so if you guys would like to see that, then make sure to stay tuned, smash that thumbs up, hit that bell notification, and also subscribe if you are new. And then without any further ado, what do you say we start tearing this box open and see what the Alien DJ Beatbox looks like once we are finished. Let's get it, guys.